2021 Ford F-450 with the 10R140. Customer says the transmission slams into gear. Harsh upshifts, harsh downshifts feels like it's getting hit from behind on every gear change. Drop the pan. Fluid is dark, burnt, and loaded with metallic debris. Clutch wear throughout the unit. Torque converter snout is scored. There's wear on pistons and hubs, and metal has circulated through the entire system. Once metal gets into the valve body, it starts wiping out valves, bores, and pressure control circuits. With pressure control compromised, the transmission can't modulate apply pressure, so it slams into gear instead. This isn't a calibration issue. It's not a solenoid problem. This is internal mechanical damage. With hard part damage like this, a full rebuild gets expensive fast. In many cases, replacement is the more cost-effective repair versus rebuilding a heavily contaminated 10R140. Dark fluid and metal never lie. Follow video service information for real heavy-duty transmission failures.
Grease Tech here. Hit like and follow video service information for more breakdowns and mechanical carnage.